Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Shahid Kapoor is a very big name in Bollywood now. He has gained huge popularity and a strong fan base after Kabir Singh. His fans and all the Bollywood lovers are waiting for his next movie Jersey, which is also a remake of a South Indian movie. Amidst this, recently a news has come forward that Shahid Kapoor has signed a deal with Netflix India. Well, as per the reports, Shahid Kapoor will soon make his digital debut in collaboration with Netflix India. This chocolate boy of Bollywood is currently riding high on his success after Kabir Singh starring Kiara Advani. Recently, this actor has signed a great deal with the digital streaming giant Netflix, and the deal is worth 100 crores. Yes, Netflix has signed Shahid Kapoor for several projects for the hefty amount of 100 crores. Pinkvilla has recently reported that a source has confirmed to them that Shahid Kapoor will be starring in several projects of Netflix soon. The source has also said that though the projects have not been finalized yet, the deal is already signed between the actor and Netflix. The source has also revealed to Pinkvilla that one of the projects of the actor will be a concept-driven fiction series. Well, it is great to see that Bollywood stars are also trying their hands on the digital platforms. Already many Bollywood stars like Radhika Apte, Abhishek Bachchan, Saif Ali Khan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, KK Menon have tried their hands. Now it will be a pleasure to see the talented Shahid Kapoor at the digital platform. As per reports, Disney Plus Hotstar has roped in Ajay Devgan and Hrithik Roshan for 2 series. Well, how much are you guys excited to see these stars on digital platform? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates.